fried the motor. I fried the motor. Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it. Freaking fried the freaking motor. Damn it! It flies way faster. So, that's the good news. I was punching it for a solid second there. And I saw smoke. And this is how she landed. I taxied her down here and then one of her gears kind of caved in on her. So yeah, let's oh yeah, she smells, she's cooked. That motor's fried. Gum. She's still so hot. Really hot. So it melted the motor. I mean, when I'm telling you it fried this thing inside there. You can tell the windings, they're completely blacked out. Smoke poured out of this portion here around the back of the prop, and as soon as I saw that smoke, I knew I was in trouble. So I'm gonna go ahead and extract this whole unit and the throttle here, and this will all come right out. So there we have it. I was using the Avian 100 amp with the BL15 original stock motor. You have to make some cutouts to make it fit. Right on the head tracker gimbal. There's another fan with the AR8360T with GPS, and another, I have a receiver on the belly as well. This is not good. Cooked it.